Hello. It is August the 22nd, Friday, and these are the news in simple English. From Folha de São Paulo, Jair Bolsonaro prepared asylum request to Javier Milei in Argentina, says Brazilian federal police. So an asylum request, they're talking about a document in which you ask permission to go to another country. So, oh, I have problems in my country. So, so you ask for permission to escape to another country. So this is asylum request. When you ask for permission to go to another country, to escape to this country, to run away to another country. One interesting word here, seized. Documents edited in 2024 was found on ex-president's phone, seized in operation. If something is seized, it is taken. So they took the phone in an operation. So that's what they mean. And one more interesting thing, Brazil's federal police states that former president, former is ex. Former President Jair Bolsonaro, ex-President Jair Bolsonaro. So this is former. Well, the piece of news goes on. Former President Jair Bolsonaro kept on his cell phone a political asylum request addressed to Javier Milei, President of Argentina. The document would have enabled Bolsonaro's departure from Brazil and was created after the launch of investigations into the alleged coup attempt, according to the agency. Okay, when they say enable is the same as give the possibility, make something possible, enable Bolsonaro's departure, permit, create the possibility of his departure. Another interesting word here is addressed. When you say addressed here, you mean directed to. So this is it for Bolsonaro's request. And I would like to take a look now at Valor Econômico. And what they say is bank stocks drop 38.4 billion after Supreme Court's ruling. Decision implying overrule of Magnitsky Act, financial sanctions against Justice Alexandre de Moraes, spiked concerns of further escalation. So there you go. Stocks, they have to do with the market value, yeah? In São Paulo, we have the B3, former Bovespa. We just talked about former. So former Bovespa, now B3. So this is where you will find your stocks, where the prices are negotiated, the companies, and the drop is to fall. So the price of the shares went down, they fell. So this is they dropped. One more thing here, it's when they say further. You probably know far. Far is similar to distant, and further is more than far, yeah. So when they say further escalation, it's more escalation, yeah. So this is how it goes. Oh, another one is spiked. If something spikes, it goes up. For example, here you can see a spike. It went up and then it dropped. So this is the price of something. The price spiked up and then the price dropped. Then the price spiked up again and then the price dropped again. Then it spiked up again and then it dropped again. So that's how it works. Okay. One more thing from Reuters. Brazil challenges legitimacy of US trade probe, urges dialogue. Well, challenge here indicates that Brazil doesn't agree and say this is wrong. So Brazil challenges the legitimacy. They say, no, this is bad. This is not legitimate business. This is not good business. We challenge what they are doing. And what they're talking about is the US trade probe. You know, the US has imposed tariffs in not on Brazil, but many different countries. But here they're calling it a trade probe. Trade is the same as commerce, and the probe is a deep investigation or a challenging of something, we could say. So a trade probe. And Brazil urges dialogue. If you urge something, you think it's urgent, and then you say, hey, come on, let's do this. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk. There you go. That's the Brazilian flag. One more thing here that is interesting is the use of the word, state. Government stated. So if you state something, you say something, you make an affirmation. So government said that, blah, blah, blah. Okay, on a lighter note, we've got here news on Anitta. Anitta joins indigenous peoples in traditional Kuarup ceremony in Xingu. So there you go. She took part in a traditional ceremony. And here there is a phrasal verb, take part in the past form, of course. She took part in. So Anitta participated. If you take part in, you participate in something. So Anitta went up to the Xingu and she took part in the Kuarup ritual. She participated in the ritual. A funeral ceremony held to honor the memory of the dead. So when they say held, it's not hold with your hands, you hold. It means to occur, to happen. The ceremony will be held. The ceremony will happen. The ceremony will occur. Okay. Last thing today. A jaguar was spotted in Rio de Janeiro for the first time in 50 years. And here, it's not jaguar spotted. It's not the name of the animal. Spotted means that it was seen. Saw, seen. A jaguar was seen in Rio. A jaguar was spotted in Rio for the first time in 50 years. There you go. The protected species had almost disappeared by the end of the 19th century. That's great use of by the end. Yeah, before the end. That was, before the end of the 19th century, this species had almost disappeared, almost completely disappeared. All right, then. So that's it for the news of this week. Thank you for watching.